First, you want to have your video clip in a folder somewhere. Personally, I have it on Google Drive. This is where I compile all my video clips and files. Now you want to open up Premiere Pro. Make a new project. Now, once you're in Premiere Pro, you want to import your media from the file that you stored your clips in. I have my file here, and now you want to drag it out into the timeline. Now we have this clip here to zoom in on. First, what you want to do is select the clip. Then go on to Effect Controls in the top left panel. Click on the video and go to Motion. Now you will see a scale option. Depending on if you want to zoom in gradually or you want to jump cut, you can change these variables. As you can see, if I zoom in more than 100, it zooms in. If I zoom in less than 100, it zooms out. If I only zoom in and that's all I do, it is going to stay like this the whole time. But with something called keyframing, you can make it zoom in gradually. Something like this. Like this. This was pretty smooth. So now I'll tell you how to make it. First, you want to go to where you want to start zooming in. For me, it'll be right here, and I want to zoom in onto this person's face. Select this clock button and start it. Next, go on to where you want to finish zooming in and stop there. And then move this variable to zoom in. Now I have zoomed in, it has created these. Now let's play this back. If you learned something new or liked the video, please like, subscribe, and share so others can see as well. Thank you for watching.